Hi there, welcome to this great video. I'm Lucy from Online Income Success, and today I'm going to show you how to get free money from Google and get paid $100 right to your PayPal account over and over again. So make sure you follow every second of this step-by-step video tutorial because I will be exposing the complete method. Okay, if you're ready to make money, then I am ready to show you how. The first thing to do is to head to the Google website from your computer, or you can do this from your mobile device web browser. The process is the same for both. I'm going to proceed from my computer. I have opened Google Chrome, and as you see here, by default it opens the Google website. If it doesn't load this way for you, then you can just head to the Google website by entering in the URL bar the address www.google.com and hit enter. Now that we are all on the same page, you can now type in the search box the word ListVerse and hit enter. Okay, here we have the search results, and you want to click on the result that says ListVerse Top 10 Lists. Click there, and you will arrive at this awesome website. You probably have read some of the cool articles that they have here, since they're so popular and hugely shared on social media. But instead of using your time reading, now you're going to be investing your time making money. So let me tell you how this works. As you see here, this website has its popular articles all over the place, which is the reason why people or readers come in here for. But the website makes money with advertising by showing all of the ads that you also see here all over the place. For example, this is an ad, and ListVerse is getting money for every impression or for every person that comes into the website and just sees this ad. If we scroll down, you see here on the left side there is another ad. And if we scroll down here, we have another ad. If we keep going down and down, you can see yet another ad. So basically this website makes tons and tons of money with the people that come here to read their articles but are also shown these ads. And now you're going to get your cut off of this business just by submitting simple lists like the ones you see here. For example, top 10 ways to make a living in the big economy. And this one's great. 10 bizarre shrines to religious figures. As you see here, the thumbnails and the titles are really eye-catchy, and people just love to read this kind of topics. So the options are infinite. They are very curious and strange lists, which are really appealing to lots of people. And they post this list every day, guys, so they can constantly attract visitors to their website. And all of these articles are submitted by regular people like you and me. And these regular people are getting paid $100 for each list they submit. So the only thing you need to do to get paid is to submit a list. But don't worry about thinking you need any special skills for this, because you really don't. I've got you a really easy way to come up with the content so you can make money from your home or any place you choose. This is very simple if you follow the steps, so keep watching. I'm going to show you how to get the data that you're going to submit fast and easy. So keep following every second of this video, and I will show you how to do everything easy and with no investment. So let's scroll all the way to the bottom of this website and find the link that says write and get paid, and click there. Now you've arrived at this very important information page. The best part about this method is that this site is completely open to receive and accept work from all people. As they say here, you don't need to have any experience. Readers who didn't have any experience as writers but decided to put a list together and send it in. So here's the deal. We will pay you $100 for your efforts, and you don't need to be an expert, guys. So this confirms that this is a really great way to make money online, and you don't have to have any skills to do it. And with this video tutorial, you get ahead of everything by knowing exactly how to come up with that content for those lists. So on this Write and Get Paid page, they tell you exactly how this works and what they expect from you. So make sure you go over the information on this page because you must understand it and stick to their rules. You can do it after you finish this video, because right now we want to move on to the strategy needed to get the data for the lists. Now, before we get into the next step, if you're enjoying this video, then be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below saying I subscribe. We will try to personally reply to your comment. Okay, back to the strategy. The first thing is that you make sure you have a PayPal account. It is a requirement and it is the only payment method they have enabled. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can follow the process of creating one from scratch on the video that is now linked on the top right corner, and I will also leave a link to down in the description. So go and see that video to create the brand new account that you will sure need if you want to get paid. Then come back to this video to continue the process of getting the money. Now that you got your PayPal account all set up, we move forward to the next step, which is coming back to google.com, and we're going to search for the best blogging topics and hit enter. Now what we need to do is to scroll and search for several lists where you can see what are the best blogging topics or blogging ideas or the most popular topics which people like reading the most, which is very important that you find so you can know that your list is going to be accepted. Because if you do lists on topics that are guaranteed that people are going to read, then you will definitely get all of your lists or articles approved by Listverb. So let's scroll and let's see, let's check this one out, the most popular blog types 2020 edition. So let's try this one, and we click that link and it will open up this new website. So let's scroll down and let's find a topic that you feel related to and that you can therefore come up with the content for a list that you are going to submit in Listverse. So let's scroll down, it says sports, finance related blogs, blogs about politics and fashion blogging, food and recipes. Recipes are really a bomb right now. Business blogging, gaming. For example, it says here movie buff blogs. Movies give people the opportunity to live vicariously through the lives of their favorite characters. So the idea here is to come up with an idea for that list that you need. So something that almost everyone loves is movies. So it makes me think of an idea that I can use some sort of movie or talking about actors in the list that we're going to submit to Listverse. So the next thing we can do is go back to Google, and you have to think of creating a list that people click and read through what the list is all about. So for example, you can type in top 10 wealthiest superstars that lost all their money. So let's scroll down and see what results we got here. The idea is to start to get the information for your list. Let's see here, rich stars who lost all their money. So let's click on this one. Being an actor is one of the highest paid professions out there, but that doesn't mean that Hollywood's richest stars can't go broke. So there you have, guys. This is the inspiration and the information that you need to start building that list for getting those $100. So get your ideas from different articles and edit those ideas into your own list. Remember that it has to be an original content, so you cannot just copy and paste. You need to visit different blogs and different articles, read them through, and start just putting the information together into your own thing. Put your touch in it. It's really simple, as it says on the website. You don't need to have any writing skills. You only need to come up with the information gathered together and make it your own. So guys, work with Google. For this idea only, Google has thrown in over 8 million results. Open and read different articles and come up with your own content based on what you read on these articles. And after you have finished putting your list together, then it comes the final step to get paid. Before we continue, I hope you're finding this video useful, and if you are, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips, tools, and tutorials for building your successful internet income. In other words, subscribe if you like money. And also hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when we upload a new video on making money online. Now back to the strategy. To get paid, you go back to the Listverse website and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and find the link that says Submit a List. Here they're going to show you more information about how you can submit a list and what are the requirements for the list that you need to submit. And you don't need to create an account to submit a list. And you just fill in your details, your full name, the PayPal email address that you configure for your PayPal account, and just talk a little bit about yourself. You know, they need to know who the author is. And here you write down your top 10 list, the list title, an introduction of your list, and then you just paste here the content that you come up with. So once you've filled out your information and your top list, you click here on I agree to the terms and conditions and click on the button Submit List. And they will take around a week to review your list and get back to you on that acceptance note and on those $100 to your PayPal account. But wait, there is more. If you want to start seeing your PayPal balance grow like crazy, then click and watch this next video to discover 11 ways on how to make $100 per day online from any place in the world. You can combine what you have learned in this video with what I am about to show you when you click on the next video to earn even more money online. With that being said, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.